Yes, the last sum in MCQ is sum number 11. The work functions for metals A, B and C are 1.92 electron volt, 2.0 electron volt and 5.0 electron volt respectively. So A, B and C are three different metals. Therefore, their work functions are different. The metals which will emit photoelectrons for a radiation of wavelength 4100 angstrom unit are. So we have to find out which of the option is correct. So what is the incident wavelength given? So the incident wavelength lambda is equal to 4100 angstrom unit. So this is equal to 4.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. So in SI unit meter I have written. Okay students. So corresponding incident energy is equal to what? Hc by lambda. This Hc by lambda is in which unit? SI unit is what? Joule. So this is equal to 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules second into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second is the velocity of light in free space divided by 4.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 and the unit is joule. But the work functions of A, B and C are given in which unit? Electron volt. So I am going to convert this joule into electron volt. Electron volt into joule means multiply by the charge of the electron. Joule into electron volt means divide this by the electronic charge. So this is now equal to, okay, E is equal to 6.6 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8 whole divided by 4.1 into 10 power minus 7 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Now joule has become electron volt. Understand? Joule is converted into electron volt. So this is now equal to 6.6, okay, 6.6 multiplied by 3 divided by 4.1. So 4.1 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into 10 power 8 into 10 power 7 into 10 to the power of 19. So 10 power positive powers you add 19 plus 8 is 27. 27 plus 7 is 34, is it not? So all these 10 powers easily they get cancelled. Therefore what is remaining you see? Therefore the incident energy is now equal to the product of what? 6.6 into 3 divided by 4.1 into 4.1 into 1.6. Okay, so the numerator is what? 6.6 into 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 0.6 into 3. So that is 19.8. So this is equal to what? This is now equal to 19.8 divided by 4.1 into 1.6. 4.1 into 1.6 if you multiply means it will be around 6.56. So this will be 6.56. So using a calculator now 19.8 divided by 6.56 I am going to find out. So 19.8 divided by 6.56. So that is found to be equal to 3.02. Okay. So this is equal to 3.02 electron volt. Therefore, the incident energy is equal to 3.02 electron volt. So this is the incident energy. So three metal plates. You see here three metal plates. 1, 2 and 3 metal plates I have taken. So this is what? A. This is B. And this is C. So what is the work function of A is given as 1.92. So this is 1.92 electron volt. This is 2.0 electron volt. And this is 5.0 electron volt. So on these three metals now light is incident like this. So when light is incident with a certain energy, how much energy is incident? 3.02 electron volt is incident. Okay students? So here 3.02 is incident on all the three metals. These two you see here for the metals A and B, the work function is less than 3.02. Is it not? Therefore, for A, so 1.92 is, so 1.92 is less than 3.02 and 2.0 is also less than 3.02, whereas 5 is greater than 3.02, so that the third metal C will not emit the photoelectrons. So which option should be correct? Both A and B are going to emit the photoelectrons. So these photoelectrons will be emitted and this photoelectrons will not be emitted. So which option is correct? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Have you understood, students? Okay, so whenever you do some multiple choice questions, do not by heart the choices given in the textbook. Okay, sometimes the values may be changed, you will be trapped. That is why, my dear students, my kind advice to you is, while solving multiple choice question, keep some notebook, calculator and do the problems till you get the right answer again and again. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay, fine. See you.